Hello and welcome back to SaaS Junction. In this video, we'll see how we can write an entire Instagram carousel with just a single click and a single prompt with the AIPRM extension and ChatGPT. So let's get started. AIPRM for ChatGPT is a super powerful Chrome extension which can speed up your copywriting process. So for writing an Instagram carousel, search for Instagram. So you can see Instagram post carousel content generator is the highest voted, highest commented and highest liked prompt in AIPRM ChatGPT. Click on Instagram post carousel generator and enter the Instagram carousel topic. So we will type how to improve website speeds. So this prompt of the AIPRM extension is generating the entire Instagram carousel with just a single click. So you can see it is generating slide by slide, the heading, title, content, you can generate the entire content calendar for the month and speed up your Instagram content game with just a single click with the AIPRM for ChatGPT. Seen how perfect ChatGPT is. You can expand these answers. ChatGPT has generated 4 slides. You can make up to 8 to 10 slides. This prompt has also generated the caption for your Instagram carousel. So you have seen how powerful this prompt was. There are hundreds of prompts in the AIPRM Chrome extension. You can explore one by one. I hope you have liked this video of the Instagram post carousel with a single click. Please like, share and subscribe to SaaS Junction. We make amazing SaaS videos every time. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.